Morning, guys.
Morning,
Morning.
We've got follow-through. It's rare. Crazy. Almost unheard of, especially on the downside. The upside, yeah, it happens when you're short, but almost unheard of. So what are we talking about? What's going to go on? Hold on a second. Okay, perfect. So what's going to go on? What do we, what do we expect today? Well, when we walked in this morning, the futures were down as much as 10 handles. Now the futures are down about 6 handles. So all that does now is confuse the situation. Down 10 handles, probably would get a spike back up. 6 handles, getting close to that midpoint mark on the futures, but you really don't get anything. So I'm going to give 2 qualified statements so everyone has an idea of what we're talking about, what we should be doing. Right? Now, can we bounce back, take everything back that we had yesterday and we're up? And we had selling pressure yesterday. So in order for there to be a real up move, you've got to see buying pressure or else just a quick squeeze. Right? So now that we've seen the futures bounce a little, I'm looking at shorting. If the futures are down between 6 and flat, I'm looking at shorting that move. Right? I'll cover if we go positive. Down 6 and flat, I'm looking to short. If the futures are down in the 10 range, I'm buying that move. If the futures are down 750, I'm going to wait and see. Okay? So down 5 handles, whatever else it is, I'm shorting. Right? Down 10, we're buying a little. Down 7, 7.5. Watch the move. Remember, down 7.5 can turn into 15. Doesn't mean if we're down 7.5, when we hit down 10, I'm not buying. You've got to understand that. If we go from 7.5 to down 4 or 5, I'm shorting that move. I'm taking that spike and I'm shorting that move. If the futures go from down 7.5 and they start falling to down 10, down 11, down, I'm not jumping on that. I'm going to wait and see if we base and where we base and what the story is. We've got room to go down. This market could be down, any amount, any number. There's nothing that's going to cause, justify, or warrant whatever's happening. We have no idea. On the downside, everything's about the selling pressure. If you don't see selling pressure come in at any point, be cautious. Right? There are no numbers coming out. There's nothing that should cause the market to to move beyond its own fundamentals right now. So just keep that in mind. So again, just to recap, down 6, 5 and up, start shorting off the open. Down 10, roughly start buying. Anywhere in the middle of that, wait and see for the spike. Spike down you can buy, the spike up you can short, but don't just guess randomly. Again, you'll see some movement, you'll see some volatility. We're already seeing that it's there a little. Good luck. Still Friday. Market's got some room. Let's see what we can do.
Thank you.